Are you tired of renting and you want to buy a home, but you don't have a clue where to start? In today's competitive real estate market, understanding the home buying journey is essential to transitioning from renter to homeowner with confidence and ease. As a dedicated real estate expert with a passion for helping clients achieve their dream of home ownership, I'm ready to guide you through every step of the home buying process. Hi, I'm Jerry Bottom of Homes by Jerry and Realty Executives Gulf Coast. What's the first critical step in turning your dream of home ownership into a reality? Your first step is to find a realtor who is there to represent you and who has your best interest at heart. More often than not, a home seller already has a realtor who is representing them and their best interest. You need a realtor who is on your side. Next, and just as important, you need to know what you can afford. I can help connect you with a trusted home lender so that you can be aware of the various loan programs that are available and also understand the cost and expected monthly payment amounts associated with each. Once you know your home buying budget, we will have a meeting and explore together the features you'd like for your home to have, the desired location of that home, and a target date for when you want the moving truck to show up at the door. Once we find the one, the home that checks off most if not all of your boxes, I will help you craft your offer to the seller with the goal of negotiating the best deal possible and getting an accepted contract to purchase. I will continue to make professional recommendations to help you avoid contract missteps and to navigate repair negotiations. Timely communication will be crucial as we deal with your lender, closing agency, your home inspector, and others, all with one goal in mind: securing the keys to your new home. Call or text me at this number and let's get started. I would be thrilled to help you turn your dream of home ownership into reality.